Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Phenomenal YouTube channel. This video is about digital marketing introduction. What is digital marketing? Internet marketing, online marketing, web marketing, these all terms can be used in place of digital marketing. Digital marketing is a strategy which helps you to promote your business online. Well, there is a vast difference between digital marketing and digital posting. In digital posting, we don't specify or target our audience. We don't analyze different digital platforms and which platform should be used for what purpose. For example, if I click the picture of my ID card which mentions my skill and I post it on Facebook, it won't give me much advantage. But if I post the same content on LinkedIn, it may give me great opportunities based on my skills. So digital marketers know which digital platform should be used for which purpose. Then we have promote your business globally. We all know that majority of the people across the globe can access internet. So digital marketing gives you great opportunity to attract global people by marketing your brand properly. Then we have digital channels that are accessible on various electronic devices. Google Chrome, Google search engine, Bing, Yahoo, Facebook, and all other social media platforms. These all are digital channels which are accessible on different electronic devices. Then we have online marketing functions. Increase the online presence. Digital marketing gives you opportunity to enhance your online presence. Now, digital marketing is not limited making the website or social media profile, but also marketing them for online visibility, which can be successfully achieved by digital marketing and building online reputation. Then we have boosting the company growth and performance. Digital marketing gives opportunity to come online to different channels and different types of marketing channels gives you opportunity to have different method to increase the traffic on your site. The increased traffic gives you opportunity for more leads. Higher the number of leads, higher is the chances of conversion. Well, whether it's traditional marketing or digital marketing, both marketing requires market research, which audience should be targeted according to their age, according to their analyzing all digital platform available and which platform to use for what purpose. Then which appropriate keyword should be used for the services provided by your company and what other searches, what other uses while searching the services. Then we have integrating different online platforms. To be present on different online platforms is very important. It gives the customer the sense of authenticity and helps in building the trust building of your brand. Next, we have different types of digital marketing. These are the different types of digital marketing. Each type of digital marketing is a vast topic within itself. So let's give you the quick review of all types. First is SEO, search engine optimization. SEO gives you opportunity to be noticeable in the crowd. People use Google or other search engine to search for small to big services or product. It is important for company to appear in the Google listing as majority of the search is held online now. So brand visibility has become much concern. Now, what's SEO? SEO is nothing, it's just some required steps taken for your site, within your site or outside your site to improve your site ranking on the preferred search engine. Google have more than 200 factors or guidelines for Google guidelines to improve your site ranking. SEO helps you to improve your site rank on the preferred search engine organically, that is with unpaid means. Whereas search engine marketing, which is the next type of digital marketing, is method of securing your site position on the search engine but in a paid way. SEM gives you a quick way to secure a Google rank or Google listing. SEO is time taking process, whereas SEM is more quicker way to secure a Google rank. Then we have social media marketing. Social media marketing is a very tricky platform yet very effective. Recently I came across an ad on my Instagram page. The ad was related to selling and designing of the sherwani, which is a groom dress. So I got confused because none of my close relative is getting married. I'm not engaged, then and I'm not a male. Then why this sherwani designer ad is showing to me? So I commented on that post that please review your audience, target audience, as I don't follow, as I don't belong in any of the criteria. Better show it to the parents or the relatives of would-be groom and bride. So, digital marketer are someone who doesn't do random targeting and choose their social media platforms very wisely. One should always perform the research well, especially on social media platform where majority of the people are spending their maximum time on it. So it's a very powerful tool and be careful while using it. Then we have email marketing. Email marketing is a powerful channel of a digital marketing that gives opportunity for personalized mail. The mail related to the company, services or product is sent to the prospect. I am sure even you have received a mail from Myntra with subject title that people are having eye on your dress or something like that. Then we have affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is commission based marketing where an individual sells the product of a specific brand by reviewing or sharing its experience or with any mastermind strategy of his or her. So on each sell, the affiliate marketer gets a little bit commission based on the product margin or the commitments. Okay, then we have content marketing. Content marketing is all about quality and relevant content on your site, which is relevant to your service provided by your company. Good content helps your company to get attention of audience and increase the website traffic by posting regular and high quality blogs on your site filled with the relevant content about the services with appropriate keyword and search phrases that your client would be you know using to find the similar services provided by your brand. Even crawlers are in search of new content. What crawler does, they crawl your site, and if they encounters with new content, it gives them impression that this site is very active, this is well managed, up to date, and thus provide good Google listing. Let's see some examples of SEM, SEO. So this is the example of SEO. Here I have written best software for business. So the title here matches to the keywords which I have searched for in the search box of the search engines. And for sure, not only making the title similar to the keywords will not give it a Google listing. They might have gone through all the or maximum of the SEO guidelines of the Google. Then we have this SEM. Here you can see ad. I have written Grammarly. Grammarly is a software which helps you to check your grammar, spellings, and etc. So if I type Grammarly over here, then ad is getting flashed. There must be many other software who is providing similar service, maybe bidding on the same keyword. So again, SEM is also a very vast topic, and various strategies are used to secure the position of your site without making advertisement expensive. Then we have this sponsored ads which flash on our FB or Instagram. These are also paid ads. These were the types of digital marketing. Then thank you so much. If you like our content, then please like, subscribe, and share to max. And if you want the entire video in Hindi, then comment down below. You can check our services on our official site, which is mentioned in the description box. We also provide training in digital marketing, PHP, ASP.NET, and other related programs. So log on to www.techphenomenal.com. Thank you. Bye bye.